My name is Nelly. I'm the Kenyan girl doing stories of sustainable development goals, DIY real estate. So today, as I spoke last week, I wanted to do a video on, I did the first style of how I'm going to be doing the real estate videos. I didn't like it very much, so I'm about to go attempt the second style. And I really hope you like it because I really feel like this one is the best. Yeah? Okay, sawa. Enjoy!
You know, I wanted to write you a poem, but sometimes writing a poem is just too touchy, too feely. A friend of mine, a girlfriend of mine, is very good at writing poems. Very sad poems. So sad that we can relate to them. So I chose to make a real estate video with the 17 sustainable development goals in them. Alright, here goes nothing. Goal number 1, no poverty, end poverty in all its forms everywhere. Goal number 2, zero hunger, end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Goal number 3, good health and well-being, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Goal number 4, quality education. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Goal number 5, gender equality. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Goal number 6, clean energy and sanitation. Ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. Goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. Promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. Goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Build resilient infrastructure. Promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. Goal number 10, reduce inequalities. Reduce inequality within and among countries. Goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. Ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Goal number 13, climate action. Goal number 14. Life below water. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. Goal number 15. Life on land. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems. Goal number 16. Promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. Goal number 17, the last one. Partnerships for the goals. Alright, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Bye, till Friday.